From a whole nother planet. Ice on my neck dancing, ice on my neck prancing. Got these little glancing, ice on me outstanding. Baby girl so demanding, say she is my standard. Boy, I'm so fancy, fucking these hoes outlandish.
I'm about to show y'all how to get these edges, or whatever you call them. Honestly, the edge control I used for this video, I wouldn't suggest. I usually use Maurice Beeswax, but they didn't have none, so I just used this. Hair types don't work for every edge control, so I don't really know what edge control works for your type of hair. But for me, I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. This type of hairstyle is for that, you know, smooth looking. Like, her hair looks smooth. That's why this is actually my favorite hairstyle. Think about making an edge control for all hair types, because I know it's hard for a lot of people to find the perfect one, but I got you. I'll show you how to do this. You need a comb.
Sneak peek of the house. Oh my gosh.
See that? How flat it looks? That's what the toothbrush does. The comb more so parts it for you.
Wait, so how many likes on this video for it?
Like,
This video get 50,000 likes. We would do
see?
50,000. You know what I'm saying? I'm so excited. It's not my fault. Go ahead and give them to him, man.
No, I need to part this. See that?
Hey,
But the toothbrush, it smooths it out. See that?
From a whole nother planet. Ice on my neck dancing, ice on my neck prancing. Got these little glancing, ice on me outstanding. Baby girl so demanding, say